Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the zero division error and how we can handle the zero division error in Python. So let's understand about the zero division error first. A zero division error in Python occurs when you try to divide a number by zero, which is mathematically undefined. Imagine that you're trying to share the pizza among the friends and none of your friends are over there. Then with whom you are going to divide it? Right? And the operation fails. You have to finish that pizza by yourself. Similarly, in Python, attempting to divide a number by zero will result in a zero division error. Okay. For instance, if you're trying to calculate the average score in a game and the number of games played is zero, then dividing the total score by the number of games would result in a zero division error. Handling this error is crucial to ensure your program does not crash and you can provide a meaningful response such as informing the user of their mistake or by using a default value. So let's assume that you have 10 and you want to divide it by 0, and if I run it you will get this zero division error. So we need to inform the user that hey, you cannot divide a number by 0. So if I simply say that take your code and put it into a try block and then put the except block saying that I'm expecting a zero division error, and print saying that hey user, you cannot divide a number by 0. Now if I run it you will get this message, and with this message user will understand that they have to give any other number apart from 0. So in nutshell, what's happening in this code? So in this code Python attempts to divide 10 by 0, which raises the zero division error. The except block catches this error and prints a helpful message informing the user that you have done a mistake, you cannot divide a number by 0, and through this message, with the help of this except block, you are preventing the program from crashing. This approach basically ensures the program can handle such error very gracefully and continue running smoothly. So this is how basically you can handle zero division error using the exception handling in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.